Alright, so we're going to try to jiggy rig this camera, so y'all just bear with me. And it's been raining a lot, so everything's a little muddy, as y'all can see. But we're going to try to see if we can get this camera up with no real camera strap. And I got 2 of these little numbers. In case one don't work, I don't think this one will be long enough. You're kidding. Ow. Man, these things are short. Well, on to number 2. So let's see if we can get this number rigged up. Would not recommend forgetting your straps. It's a pain in the butt. But you know what? We'll have to make it work. The turkeys are going to be tripped out whenever they see this. It's all good. All is good in the neighborhood. Okay. So let's take that number. Bring this one through there. Maybe. If this stays, I'll be so shocked. There's no shot this stays, but we're just gonna try it either way. See if it'll bend enough to run. You know what? We're gonna try to see if it'll bend enough to run this number back through there. Just like so. That just contradicts everything I just did. So we're gonna run it in there that way. And just like that, that is a jiggy rig turkey camera. Now let's try to rotate this number without it falling. See if we can lift it up a little bit. Just like so. Tighten her up without her snapping, hopefully. And now if the wind blows, we'll have a turkey camera on the ground. I'm gonna take a stick. Oh my gosh, my bits are muddy. Let's take a piece of the stick. Maybe. Oh my goodness. Like a charm. And there it is.